your AI habit coach for actionable plans. Premium hardware, precise tracking, and the slimmest, most comfortable fit ever. Every morning, Omni Health Ring gives you clear insights into your sleep. Ask Minnie, your personal AI health coach. Anything, anytime. No vague tips like just rest more. Only practical actions like dimming screens and reciting short meditations. Omni Health Ring's smooth inner surface means all-day comfort, crafted from aerospace-grade titanium with a sleek design. It's your health companion and stylish accessory. Plus, it's fully waterproof. Unlike other rings that only track sleep, stress, and activity, Omni Health Ring uniquely integrates personalized nutrition tips for you. Quickly identify nutrients in the app, while your AI nutritionist designs meal plans matched to your data. Equipped with advanced hardware, an Ambic Apollo 3 Plus processor and TDKey's 6-axis sensor, Omni Health Ring precisely monitors your activity, combining data and personal habits to deliver customized AI-powered habit coaching. At the end of the day, Omni Health Ring provides a clear summary of your progress. Remember those morning tips? We won't suggest unrealistic changes like forcing you to quit your phone before bed. Instead, you'll receive small, easy-to-follow suggestions, making better habits simple to start and easy to keep. With 24/7 monitoring and personalized insights from AI, your health improves gradually and sustainably through small, meaningful actions, building better habits step by step for lasting results. Share the gift of health with someone you truly care about.